Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Howlogical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable sharing into Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable sharing into your Google Keep, you just simply have to open this Google Keep or Keep Notes application into your mobile phone. Then, after opening the application, just simply tap into these three bars into the top left corner, and from there you will get to see the option of settings. Just simply tap into settings option and go to settings, and after going into settings you will get to see this sharing option at the last. Just simply enable this toggle for enable sharing into here, and after opening that toggle for sharing, your sharing will be activated into Google Keep. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.